Hey bitches, it's me again. Today I'm gonna do a Christmas haul because this is my favorite time of the year and I just have to share it. Starting off strong, I got the pink Apple headphones. They're so cute and I hate like in-ear headphones, so I'm really excited about that. Then my favorite gift, because I like to get to the good stuff first, I got the Shark air styler. I had the Dyson, but it conveniently died after the 2-year warranty, which is sus, so I got this one. I used it today, and I low-key like it better because it has, like, the boar bristles, and it's, like, hot pink, so me. I got this face steamer because, I don't know, I'm in my bougie era, and it has, like, pimple-popping tools, which are bad for me because I love to pick at my face, so my mom got me the Barbie espresso martini. They're not espresso glasses, but martini glasses, but I'm going to use them for espresso martinis because that's my favorite drink. I got a pink Hydro Flask. I'm really happy about this because I left my purple one at home and I miss it. While I'm at it, my dad got me a blanket talking about how he loves me. And there's like a lion's cub on it. It's really cute. I got the P. Louise Michaela palette and I just have to show y'all something. This shit lights up. It's so pretty. Being the beauty guru I fucking am. I also got the Danessa Myricks palette. My cat's coming to say hi. It's so pretty. Hold on. This will be fun for crazy looks. Like, wow. And all her stuff slaps. The packaging's so cute. My stocking stuffer theme was nails, so I got a little nail drill. These, like, files for your cuticles. This, like, cleaning cuticle set. I don't really know. More bits. A little cuticle oil pen, which I desperately need right now. And this Moroccan oil hand cream, which is really good. I like this a lot. I got a little Vivienne Westwood necklace because my favorite one is lost and I'm never getting it again. It's super cute. I don't really know what it is, but it's cute. The only, like, product I asked for was this CosRX stuff because I didn't want to buy it myself. And I really like it. I used it today. I feel like I'm glowy. I also got this towel warmer. Not you. I don't know. I'm really excited though because I'm always cold. And I plan on putting my blankets in there more than my towels. Then I got the little laser all you bitches talk about on here. Not laser, it's the little... Oh! The little, like, zapper thing. I'm really excited about this because it's just gonna feel like fun. Be like, bye, bitch. I also got this little, like, bath stone thing that it's like a bath mat, but it's stone. I'll put a picture up because it's downstairs and I don't feel like getting it because it's fucking heavy. Now the best things are the gift cards because my parents know I like to shop and we have very different tastes. So I got 1,000 to fucking Sephora. This is, like, my favorite one. 400 to H&M. Love H&M. They have really good basics. Then I got 500 to Addicted, which love them. First brand to, like, ever reach out to me. 300 to Steve Madden. I keep saying all of them are my favorite, but this one I'm most excited for because I need new shoes. Last and definitely not least, I got 450 to Skims. My favorite place in the world. What I'm wearing right now. Actually, I was wrong. This is the last one. It's a Aritzia. I got 500. Look how cute this little bag is. Like, oh my god, Aritzia, you slay. My great-grandpa also ate the house down boots. He gave me $1,000 check. I felt so bad. Like, Grandpa, keep your money. I don't deserve this. I have enough. And the last thing I'm going to show is this little jewelry holder. It has my name on it. I've always wanted one of these. This is hopefully going to keep me from losing my damn jewelry every time I travel. And yeah, that's all I got for Christmas. It was a really good one. Thank you, Mom, Dad, and Santa. You're the best. Bye, bitches.